Good afternoon, everyone. Let's begin our lesson. The theme of our lesson is will and be going to. The aim of the lesson. Here is 3 aims of the lesson. First, use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively in groups. Second, use speaking and listening skills to provide sensitive feedback to peers. And the last, use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a limited. So, today we are going to speak the difference between will and going to. A very confusing concept is when to use will and when to use be going to, when we prefer the future. Both refer to the future, and there is a slight difference between the two, though in most cases they can be used interchangeably with no difference in meaning. Even you or misuse them, a native speaker is going to understand you without any problems. The structure be going to is normally used to indicate the future, but with some type of connection to the present. Use it in the following situations. First, prior plan. The decision has been made before the moment of speaking. For example, they are going to retire to the beach. In fact, they have already bought a little beach house. Or, I am going to accept the job offer. Evidence. Something is likely to happen based on the evidence or experience you have. I think it is going to rain. I just felt a drop. Or I don't feel well. I think I'm going to throw up. So, in other cases where there is no implied or implied connection to the present, use will. Rapid decisions. This is when you make a decision at that moment in a spontaneous way. For example, I'll buy one for you too. I think I'll try one of those. Second, predictions. When we think or believe something about the future. For example, my team will not win the league this season. I think it will rain later, so take an umbrella with you. And the third, to make an offer, a promise, or threat. I'll give you a discount if you buy it right now. I promise I will behave the next time. I'll take you to the movies if you'd like. So, children, let's do some exercises using will or going to. Exercise 1, page 95. Order the words to make sentences. Give you some minutes. So next task, write the sentences with be for plans and the intentions or will for predictions. Give you some minutes. Okay, let's check up. First, I think that our team will win. Second, the players are going to meet tomorrow morning. Third, that was brilliant. Your manager will be very happy with you. Fourth, the finalists are going to play at 3 o'clock. Fifth, maybe you will be a journalist when you are older. And the last, her trainer is going to leave next month. She told me yesterday. Now, my children, your home task, exercise 7, page 95. Write sentence about your plans and predictions. Use ideas in the box and or your own ideas. Use the will and going to. Goodbye, my dears.